Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone from viewing your LinkedIn activity. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and on the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Go to settings. Once you go to settings, you're gonna see few options like sign in and security, account preferences and visibility. There you can edit what activities you want people to view. Or if you want to specifically block someone, go to their profile through search bar or my network and look for them. Go to their profile. You can see there's three-dot menu right beside message option. Tap on it and go ahead and select report or block. Once you do that, they're gonna prompt select an action, block them, report them, or report profile element. Tap on block the profile, select block. And guys, that's it. That's how you specifically block someone from viewing your LinkedIn activity. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.